In the first video, we learned how to make the wheels. Now we're learning how to put the wheels back onto the skateboard. So first you take this, and
Washer.
it's called the
Washer.
spacer.
Or spacer.
And then you put your wheel in, facing the color out. Then you take another spacer, put it right on top. And then you take a nut. You make sure that the round part, the round part is facing up. Then you just screw it on. Then with the T-tool, you look for number 12, this number 12. You put it in and you go like this, clockwise. There, not that tight, because then it can roll well.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now,
And you repeat the same process for the other wheels, yeah?
yeah,
Correct. Nice.
same thing. Spacer, wheel, spacer, nut. Number 12, hold wheel, screw on, and make sure it's perfect.